What's up, party people? We have to be really quiet because it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Didn't see that. Yeah, it's 6:09 in the morning. Yeah. We have to be really we don't know why we're making this. We just want to make another video, and we decided to make another one. It's still really dark outside. It's 6:09 a.m., not p.m. I don't know if you can hear us. We're probably texting if it's hard to listen to. But we're gonna put the hidden word in this, and wait, okay. What else are we gonna do? I don't want to say like, we tell like a short story or something. Sorry about this, guys. We're thinking, please enjoy this wonderful picture. Okay, we thought of something to tell you about. So, probably wondering why we said take a vlog at 6 o'clock in the morning, right? Yeah, especially when we stayed up until 12 last night at like 12:30 something by the time we got to bed. We love making videos, and we were just editing our 10th video. And she had to go to church, and we decided to have a sleepover. Again. We're desperate. Second in 2 days. Yeah. So, if you haven't noticed, I talk on the side of my mouth. I cannot fix that. I'm like, baby. No, I'm like, I can't fix that. So you're gonna be seeing that a lot. See, I just did it right there. I'm not doing it on purpose. See, I've got to leave here at 8 o'clock, so that's why we're taking the video before I have to leave. Oh, come on, choppier. I know, I was purposely doing it. I don't even have any hair sticking. I lost. So yeah. Hope you found the hidden word again. Good luck. And good luck with the next video. Wow, this is only a minute video. Oh. Can I extend it? Just a little bit. So, oh wait, this here is a little minute video, along with that stuff. Sorry, we're pointing at the stuff that we're working on. So, enjoy this picture. Oops. Alright. That last picture was funny. Can you think anyways? Okay, normally this is the time that we get out of school. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get up at this time tomorrow. Okay, so yeah. Do you like your blankets? Mine's just blue and very fuzzy. Okay, well, hope you found the hidden word. Yeah. And that's it really. Yeah, check out our last 10 videos. Not our very last, like, check out the 10 videos that we made before. Yeah, I think we did it. Wait. Oh yeah, and put the word that you found here down in the comments. But don't put where you found it. I repeat, they're not. If you haven't seen that video, you should. Yeah, okay. It's like our funniest yet. Bye. Bye. Red.